Why do millionaires think differently? What is it that sets them apart from the rest? Let's face it, the mindset of a millionaire is unique. It's not just about the money. It's about a different way of thinking, a different perspective on life and financial success. The millionaire mindset is a powerful tool that influences every decision, every action, and ultimately determines the path to wealth. It's the secret weapon of the super rich, the key to unlocking the door to financial freedom. In this journey, we're going to explore 11 secrets of the millionaire mindset. These are the cornerstones that shape the world of the wealthy and successful. So, are you ready to unlock these secrets and transform your mindset? Let's dive in. Secret number 1. Millionaires always think big. They don't confine their dreams and aspirations within the borders of mediocrity. Instead, they let their minds wander into the realm of extraordinary possibilities. They envision grand goals, bold ideas, and audacious plans. You see, this is not about being unrealistic or delusional. It's about understanding the vast potential that lies within each of us. Millionaires believe in the power of possibilities, the magic that can be conjured when we dare to dream beyond the ordinary. They know that the bigger they think, the larger the scope for success. And it's not just about wealth. It's about impact, influence, leaving a lasting legacy. It's about shaping the world in their image, about creating a ripple effect that extends far beyond their immediate surroundings. So, don't limit yourself to small, easily achievable targets. Remember, your mind is your greatest asset. Use it to think big. Secret number 2. Millionaires never stop learning. Imagine the mind as a garden, where knowledge is the seed and continuous learning is the water that helps the seed to sprout and flourish. Millionaires recognize this and treat their minds as fertile grounds, constantly sowing seeds of knowledge and nurturing them with continuous learning. They understand that the world is in a state of constant flux, with new information and ideas emerging every day. To stay ahead of the curve, they make it a priority to learn new things, acquire new skills, and expand their horizons. They read books, attend seminars, take online courses, and surround themselves with people who can teach them something new. They view every experience, whether good or bad, as a learning opportunity. They are not afraid of making mistakes because they know that mistakes are just stepping stones to wisdom. So, keep learning, keep growing. Secret number 3. Millionaires focus on solutions, not problems. Now, it's easy to get caught up in the whirlwind of issues that life throws at us, but millionaires, they have a different approach. They don't waste energy dwelling on problems. Instead, they pour their efforts into seeking solutions. Think about it. Problems are simply obstacles on the road to success. And for every problem, there is a solution waiting to be discovered. Millionaires understand this. They see problems as opportunities for growth and innovation. They take challenges head-on, armed with a can-do attitude and a relentless drive to find answers. It's like navigating a maze. You don't stand at the entrance lamenting the complexity of the maze. No, you dive in, turn corners, hit walls, backtrack, and find new paths. That's how you reach the finish line. That's how you succeed. In the face of adversity, don't get stuck on the problem. Find the solution. I hope you are enjoying the video. Please like and subscribe for more content to help you achieve financial freedom. Secret number 4. Millionaires value time more than money. Imagine this. You've lost $1,000. It hurts, but you can earn it back. Now, imagine losing 1,000 hours. That's time you can never recover, no matter how hard you try. That's why, for the truly wealthy, time is the ultimate currency. Millionaires understand that every minute counts. They master the art of time management, ensuring that every second is invested rather than merely spent. They prioritize tasks that offer the most significant returns, delegating the rest. They create schedules that maximize productivity, carving out slots for work, personal growth, and relaxation. But it's not just about squeezing more hours out of the day. It's about understanding that true wealth comes from living a rich life, not just having a rich bank account. So they spend time on things that matter, things that enrich their lives and the lives of those around them. Time is the most valuable asset. Use it wisely. Secret number 5. Millionaires practice financial discipline. It's a pivotal cornerstone in the foundation of wealth. You might wonder, what does this mean? Well, it's about managing money effectively, making informed decisions, and not giving in to the whims of instant gratification. It's about knowing when to spend, when to save, and when to invest. Millionaires don't just earn and spend, they earn, save, invest, and then spend. They understand that wealth is not about how much you earn, but how much you keep and grow. They're the ones who live below their means, not because they have to, but because they choose to. They prioritize long-term financial goals over short-term desires. They understand that the road to wealth is paved with smart financial choices. They treat their money with respect, and in turn, their money works tirelessly for them, creating more wealth. Remember, financial discipline is the key to wealth creation. Secret number 6, millionaires maintain a positive mindset. Picture this. A millionaire who's constantly negative, always expecting the worst, letting failures get the best of them, doesn't quite fit the image, does it? That's because the true power of wealth creation lies not in the bank account, but in the mind. A positive mindset is a millionaire's secret weapon. The world of wealth is like a battlefield, fraught with challenges and uncertainties. But a positive mindset is the shield that deflects negativity and the sword that cuts through obstacles. It's the belief that success is not only possible, but inevitable. It's the confidence to make bold decisions, the resilience to bounce back from failures, and the optimism to see opportunities where others see roadblocks. But remember, a positive mindset isn't about ignoring reality or living in a fantasy. It's about maintaining a hopeful and optimistic attitude, even when faced with the harsh realities of life. Stay positive, stay motivated. Secret number 7, millionaires are adaptable. As the world constantly evolves, so too must we. This is a trait that the most successful individuals, notably millionaires, have mastered. They understand that the only constant is change. Economic landscapes shift, industries innovate, and trends come and go. But does this deter these financial titans? Absolutely not. Instead, they see these changes as opportunities, not threats. They're never too attached to their methods or strategies that they can't pivot when necessary. It's this adaptability that allows them to ride the waves of change rather than being swept away by them. They're like chameleons, seamlessly blending into new environments and circumstances, always ready to seize the opportunities that come their way. This fluidity and versatility is a key ingredient in their recipe for success. So remember, rigidity is the enemy of growth. Embrace change, adapt, and evolve. In a world of constant change, adaptability is a superpower. Secret number 8, millionaires build strong networks. Now let's talk about networking. It's not just a buzzword or a trendy concept, it's a fundamental part of achieving success. Millionaires understand the power of connections. They know that a diverse network can open doors to opportunities that otherwise might remain closed. Think about it. When you connect with people, you're not just meeting individuals, you're tapping into their networks as well. It's a ripple effect that can extend your reach far beyond your immediate circle. But remember, networking isn't about taking, it's about giving. It's about building relationships based on trust and mutual benefit. Millionaires know this. They don't just collect contacts, they cultivate relationships. Moreover, networking isn't confined to the business world. It applies to personal growth as well. Surrounding yourself with ambitious, positive people can elevate your mindset and propel you towards your goals. So start networking. Build bridges, not walls. Remember, your network is your net worth. Secret number 9. Millionaires are innovative. They don't rest on their laurels, but are always on the lookout for their next big idea. They understand that the world is constantly changing, and to stay ahead, they need to change too. Innovation is not just about creating new products or technologies. It's about finding new ways to do things, new methods to solve old problems, and new approaches to reach their goals. Millionaires know that being innovative can mean the difference between staying stagnant and soaring to new heights. They see potential where others see impossibility, opportunity where others see obstacles. Innovation is about embracing change, not fearing it. It's about being open to new ideas and being willing to take risks. Millionaires don't play it safe. They innovate, they disrupt, they change the game, and that's why they're millionaires. Innovation is key to their success. It could be key to yours too. Stay innovative, stay ahead. Innovative. Stay. Secret number 10. Millionaires prioritize financial education. Have you ever wondered why the rich seem to get richer? It's not just about having money to invest. It's about knowing where, when, and how to invest it. This is where financial education comes into play. Understanding the complexities of financial markets, The nuances of tax laws and the intricacies of investment strategies can be the difference between growing wealth and losing it. Knowledge is power, particularly when it comes to money. It's not enough to simply earn and save. One must also know how to grow and protect their wealth. Just as a gardener studies the soil, the weather, and the best time to plant and harvest, a millionaire studies financial trends, economic indicators, and investment opportunities. They understand that their wealth is not a product of luck, but a result of informed decisions and strategic moves. Financial education is the best investment you can make. Secret number 11. Millionaires believe in giving back. Philanthropy is not just a noble deed, it's a mindset, a crucial part of the millionaire equation. It's often said, "To whom much is given, much is expected." This is a mantra many millionaires live by. They understand that wealth isn't just about amassing possessions, but also about making a significant impact. They know the power of their wealth extends far beyond their personal lives, and they harness this power to effect positive change. They invest in causes they are passionate about, causes that uplift communities, empower individuals, and improve societal structures. This act of giving back not only contributes to societal growth, but also brings about a sense of personal fulfillment. It's a cycle of abundance where prosperity is shared, not hoarded. Millionaires understand this cycle. They know that by giving, they open up channels to receive more. Remember, the more you give, the more you get. Remember that success isn't a destination, but a journey. And what a journey it is when you have the millionaire mindset. Now it's your turn to think like a millionaire. Start today and see the difference it makes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more wealth secrets.